Welcome back to Shans and Zen Jamaican Vibes. I want to shout out Miss Grace from Toronto, Canada, who sent me donation to purchase fish to prepare on Good Friday for a few recipients from my program. These recipients are Damien, Miss Cooley, Damien's grandmother, and Archie, the general. But I also included Mr. Facey, the gentleman who we're currently on the finishing stage of his house project. I also want to thank Miss Linda from British Columbia who sent the donation to purchase Archie's bun and cheese. Thank you also to Risa from France who sent donations to purchase Damien and his grandmother's bun and cheese. Thanks also to Miss Hillary who sent a small donation to give each of these recipients. You're watching Shans and Zen Jamaican Vibes. Inspiring, motivating, showcasing Jamaican talents, and giving back to my Jamaican people. Welcome back to Shans and Zen Jamaican Vibes. And we're here with Archibald Vincent McDonald.
Yeah, for the Good Friday mission.
For work today?
No.
Okay. You stay in?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, cause holiday, you're not for work today.
No, sir. It's a Good Friday.
Yes, man. And boy, you look posh to Archie. Me tell you to clean up, but you clean up real nice. You're looking good, man.
Yeah.
Corduroy and all. Look like a young boy, man.
Yeah.
I know the oh yeah, go answer today. Eh?
I'm glad to see you bring something.
What me bring for you? Cause you don't know what me bring for you.
No.
What you did ask me for?
It bun and cheese.
But suppose me never get no money for buy it. Eh?
That's right.
Oh, you wouldn't vex with me?
No.
You wouldn't not like me again?
Yeah, man.
You don't like me still? Okay.
Yeah, well, how you Easter? Yes.
You asked for a bun and a cheese, and you say you've never had
Yeah.
one of those big bun
Yes.
and one of those can of cheese, the small can of cheese.
Yeah.
So you're not asking for much, you're just asking for a bun and cheese.
Yeah.
So I put out the video and a lady from Canada reached out to me and she sent me the money to buy you your bun and cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and your Malta.
Yeah.
Yes. So you're gonna get it.
Bun and cheese.
What kind of cheese?
A pan cheese.
Okay.
The small pan.
Okay.
The little pan of cheese. What you do for me?
Yes, man, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Cause up there, so where you did live, you did stay bad, man.
Yes.
And how much years you did live up there?
I can't go here, but I know for me up there. Tell the woman dead. And his brother dead too.
Cause it was a bookkeeper house.
One man way up there and him dead.
Okay.
In the neck.
Right.
Him dead.
But the guy did tell me say over 30 years you lived there. Yeah.
What 30 years. But
Oh.
he way up there beside of me up there.
Oh.
The woman.
Oh, the lady did live beside you.
And his brother.
And then she died.
Yeah.
So is the Rasta man and your brother?
Who's one?
But did die and you say the rat in the going of the rat and him did the dopey where did give you trouble up there?
Oh, him dead man.
So I never him the lady brother.
Yeah man.
Oh,
Two of the way up there.
you see how me remember?
Two of the way up
And you tell me say how the Rasta man did dead and him did live on the other part and
Yeah.
one rat come there trouble you and you feel like the Rasta man. Remember? You see how me?
Remember.
Yes, you see how me memory good? How you look for a woman, you look for a pass. Top look for a woman a pass, man. One of the subscribers wanted to do something special for Archie and Damien's grandmother and Damien. So I'm here now and we're going to make some fish for them. So we're just catching some water to wash off the fish. And we're gonna give it a nice wash with some vinegar, cut the rawness. And over here we have some Scotch bonnet pepper, sweet pepper, onion and cucumber. We have fish seasoning and vinegar. so we're going to use the gas stove to cook. Sit down, Archie, sit down. Let me do the presentation now. This is the cheese. Hold on.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And this is your bun.
Yeah.
Look, see, I just made your fish.
Yeah,
Fried
fish.
fish.
Eat half this, man.
The belly go full.
I can't eat half it tonight. I can't eat half it tonight.
No, man. Remember, me have the container where you can.
What container?
Where you can put it in and eat it tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes. And here are your 2 maltos. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, Archie. So you have some nice fish here for your Good Friday.
Yes.
A beautiful lady from Canada wanted to do it for you, so.
Yes.
She sent you money, so me buy the fish.
Yes.
Come and fry it.
Yes.
And you get 3 of the thin bummy them, but me steam it.
Yes.
So that's why they look like that.
Yes.
And I just garnish it with some tomatoes and cucumber.
Yes.
Pepper and onion.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Yes. And you get your big bun.
Yes,
Jesus, peace. How you wanna go eat off this, Archie?
No, me not eat half it, no, man.
Oh, you put it up. Okay. Yeah, eat some and put back some. Okay. And see your cheese here.
Yeah.
This cheese, you have to cut it in.
Right.
Yeah, it's a pan cheese.
Yeah.
You understand, but you have to
Yes.
cut it with a knife.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make my husband cut it for you, but it come with a plastic cover.
Yeah.
So after you take off cut it off and cut off the metal part, you can cover it with the plastic.
Yes. But
Why you boss, Archie?
yeah.
You see how much people love you all over the world?
Yeah.
You see how much people love you all over the world?
Me a Canada.
Yeah, and them go watch you in Canada too.
England.
Yes.
Australia.
Yes.
Europe.
You all over Europe.
Almost.
All Germany. All Africa. As usual, all the Prime Minister watch you again.
We have video.
Yes, man.
We have a video.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah, man, you watch up on the video. Yes.
And Davey too.
Who?
Davey. The boy out there, they see him too.
Who's that?
Davey.
Damien. Oh, yeah, man. They see Damien too, man. They see Damien. And in grandma. Yeah, man. Me have to go bring them fish and bammy. Eat, man. Take up your food. And where's his fork? Hold on.
But me want to eat it tonight.
No, man. Eat some now. Eat some now. Make the people them say, yeah, enjoy, man. Make the ladies say, yeah, enjoy what she do for you. Eat one of the...
bammy.
Yes. And you don't need no fork, you know. You eat your bammy with your fish. A 3 bammy that you are ripping out.
How much?
Yes. Choice cut up. You see, it's a thin bammy.
You can't eat off it.
You don't have to eat off it, man. Just eat some. So you can take 1 piece. You can take 1 piece off. Yes, Archie. Why this a fish fat? Oh my gosh! What a big fish! What a special Archibald Vincent McDonald! What a special Archibald Vincent McDonald! My goodness! But me here said Damien grandmother not doing well, but I have something for her too.
Sick out.
She sick out? Alright, go and eat your food before bone. No want no bone catch your throat. You want me to open the mouth?
No, man, I'm not drink it tonight, man.
Tonight you drink it? Oh my. She also told me to buy a bread for you. So see you get a bread here. You can eat, if you want, you can eat bread with the other big fish. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
What these people mean to you?
You're good. Take care of me.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah, man. Take care of me. Yeah, man. Thanks for you.
Yes.
Come on, Good Friday, come look at you.
Yeah.
For you.
Yeah.
Bring your bun and cheese and your fish and your
man.
malta.
Yeah. Now you go look for me and tell me Malta come.
Yes.
And me cheese and me bun.
Yes.
And the fish.
Yes.
Thanks to who send it from Batico Guinea.
Yes, man. You're welcome.
Yeah. Just see this man.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
His name is Ludian Facey.
Yeah.
Also, me glad to see you, Mr. Archie.
Yeah.
As an elder man.
Yes, yes.
I like old people so
Yes,
much.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
But you two are now in the 70s. Yes, yes, yes. It's a good look. It's a good look.
What happened to Miss Pet?
Miss Pet, the boat man, I think she's in Florida now.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Me I gotta tell her, say, you know, stop asking for her, you know.
Yeah.
She have to come back and look for you again, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
You like her, you know, you like the browning.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah! Oh my God! Archie say yes.
Ask her,
What
man.
about everybody overseas? All right.
Yes, man, them are.
All right.
Yes, most people, one and few people lose a few family members.
Yeah.
So I have to take the time out. Thanks for asking to Archie.
Yeah.
And say condolences to some of my subscribers and some of the donors and viewers who have lost family members and friends recently.
Yeah.
I have quite a few people.
Yeah.
Condolences to Miss Hillary.
Yeah.
Yeah, she lost a family member. It's her aunt, a very close aunt to her.
Yeah.
But she's in the USA, Florida to be specific. So condolences to Miss Hillary.
Yeah. Sorry for the hear me. See that.
Hello.
Eh?
Hello.
Hillary.
Yes, Hillary. Miss Hillary.
Yeah.
She also gave me something to give you, you know. I soon give you.
Yeah.
Yes, man. She gave me a little envelope to give you, so I'll give you shortly. And thanks, Miss Hillary, for always looking out for Damien, his grandma, and Archibald Vincent McDonald. Yes. The best machete man.
Yeah, hit me do.
Yes. The best machete man in a Baram. Alright, in a Westmoreland.
Baram.
So what happened to Westmoreland? You don't think you're better than everybody in a Westmoreland?
No, man.
No?
Yeah, man. We use machete.
Better than you?
Yeah.
Okay.
This place.
Younger man than you.
Whole man, all
No, inside the young boy them can't do what him do.
But I know fear me do it. For me cut all this, so I do this.
Yeah, man, me know, man.
For me have to go brush it back all the way here, then me have to go do it.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Cut.
But how many years him a do this work, you know, them know him for this, you know.
Okay.
Yes, man, and him proud of it. He say when he go to doctor and tell doctor say that you go to school for turn doctor, but me go to school. Me never go to school and get no degree, but me have my machete.
Oh my.
I feel him machete, I feel him degree.
Oh, you get the machete to chop bush.
Yeah, man, me get.
Yes, yes,
For a long time me I do.
yes, yes. So beautiful look. Alright, Mr. Facey, time for you eat now.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You know, you can share it too, you know. You can share, man. When your friend come visit you, give me like a piece.
Me know. All them my first time me I go to school teacher give me.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, man. When me a boy,
Okay.
I don't give me. I cut here and give me. So every take piece. Every school teacher will take piece out.
My husband I go cut off the metal part so you can cut it, cover it with plastic. So you say you not cut your bun till tomorrow, sir. Me not bother you if you don't want to cut your bun, me not trouble you.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Alright, sir.
So after Mr. Facey and Archie finished eating, we head over to Miss Cooley, who is Damien's grandmother, and we're trying to find Damien as well.
How you doing?
Bad from the sick.
Oh my goodness. Me hear you did in the hospital.
I'm doing that in the hospital.
Yeah. Oh, I'm glad say you come out now. Which part the pain? Which part you have the pain?
The class here, so.
Oh, in your back.
Class here, so.
Oh my.
Under here, so.
Okay. So what doctor give you for it?
A pill me I take.
Okay.
So
Me
what
give her
must I-
some pain pill, them no good.
So what?
Oh,
So what you have today?
Me carry man, me carry bun and cheese to you and Damien.
Bun and cheese.
Yes man.
One of it, that's it.
Me have to go look for Damien around there. Yeah man. So see one cheese here for you too.
Thank you.
Yes.
Give me the Damien.
Me I bring it to him man. Me I bring it to him.
He will go this so.
Yes. Bye. Come.
God bless you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
God bless you. Tell Damien say somebody come to him, yeah.
Alright, Miss Cooley, Miss Cooley. Oh, me, look here, Miss Cooley. Oh, the thing blow off of it. Oh, that's good. Fish for you and Damien.
One to me and one to Damien.
Two big fish. Two for you and two for Damien and Bammy.
Alright.
Make him come so he can hold it too. He can help you. Come, Damien. Come. Me hear so Damien not doing so well, but this is for you and Grandma. Here? And the, and this is for your Easter.
Yes, sir.
Alright?
Yeah.
Lord, I'm shake me, I know.
Alright, so this are your St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth. And
Yes.
I up the husband come from them.
Oh yes?
Yes, see. In a Robinson.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Alright, man.
Yes, so you take care.
You take care too, and I'm glad you're out of the hospital. But me,
Pain, man, pain.
oh my goodness.
Pain, man.
So Damien, two for you and two for she. Here? Alright. Alright.
Nah, so no drive good, you see?
Yes, man.
Yes, ma'am.
Lord,
Yes,
you
my
have
son.
bread. I almost forget.
God bless you.
Yes, ma'am. Bless you also. This is for you. Yes.
All right.
And your juice too. Here you go.
Yes, ma'am. God bless you, ma'am.
Yes, bless you
God bless you,
also.
ma'am. God bless you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Is it?
Thank you. God bless you.
Yes, it's a beautiful lady named Risa, all the
Yes.
way from France, you know.
So when you hear something that you come,
Oh, me no want to hear say you're dead, man.
Mhm.
Me no want to hear say you're dead. Nobody talk about no death now.
pain, man, pain.
Yes.
How far St. Elizabeth you belong to?
South,
Eh?
south.
Oh,
Yes, yes.
yeah, man.
Miss Risa from France, thank you so much
Yes.
for
yes,
what
yes.
you have
All right.
done for Damien and his
Yes.
grandma.
Take care.
Yes, ma'am. You
Yes.
take care too. Take care of grandma, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Me know she was in the hospital, man. Me know, me know. Okay, are you want to bring her up there? Okay, okay. What? Alright, take care of grandma, Damien, here?
All right.
Yes, Miss Cooley. There's some clothes in there for you.
Yeah, give me back.
Yes, man. Clothes.
Clothes.
Yes, man. Some nice clothes and, you know?
Let me see that one here.
Yes. You like it?
Yes, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. And
Yeah, man.
Miss Cooley say,
Yeah, man.
this skirt can fit you? Me try it. Look
And
your
the skirt,
size.
I skirt.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
And there's some more in there, but they're for you.
All right. So me take your bag.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
All right. So,
All right. Take care until.
yes. Yes,
Not
ma'am.
only that.
All
when
right.
God provide you to come and see me
Yes.
again.
Yes, ma'am. All right. Take care, Miss
You have
Cooley.
no children?
One daughter.
One no more?
Yes.
Me no have nobody but Jesus.
All right. That's all you need.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. God bless you, Miss Cooley, and
All right.
I'll come back and look for you.
All right, ma'am.
All right.
You feel go look for me
Olivia,
at
the darling, your man,
every 3 months.
Every 3 months, me fi come.
I go look for me.
down,
Oh,
power,
Miss Cooley said me fi come look for her every 3 months.
All right.
All right, Miss Cooley.
Yes, yes. Take care.
All right.
Man. Yes, my dear.
Well, you look nice,
Me do it nice. You like it?
Yes, it is good.
Okay.
And then you
Steam,
make
me steam the bammy.
Huh?
I steam, me steam the bammy.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
One thing me look me afraid by fish.
The bone.
Yes.
Just careful, man. Take time, eat it. Don't eat it too fast.
Me don't like fish, eat fish.
Yeah.
Feel tough on my throat.
Mm-hmm.
Me have to take out the bone good.
Yeah.
You know? Me don't like fish. No? Fish. Bone.